Hello and welcome back to Wolfgang's Kitchen. I'm Andrew and this is Wolfgang, and we're here on behalf of the Forked River German Butcher Shop for another installment on Christmas selection of meats that we have at the Forked River German Butcher this year. Going from beef cuts, from certified prime rib, to New York strip loin roast, to filet mignon. We're also going to be offering homemade low salt smoked hams that we smoke ourselves right on site, fresh crown roasted pork, a rack of lamb, and many other different cuts for your Christmas dinner table that you may want to take a look at. But today I'm here with Wolfgang to highlight the filet mignon. One of the nice things about this filet mignon is we are only carrying 100% certified Angus filet mignons, and they are graded prime. That is the best cut you're going to be able to find out there on the filet mignon. We're aging them already on site, and we are taking orders already for the holiday, and Wolfgang's going to take a second now to just describe our suggested cooking technique for this really nice cut of meat.
So what I always suggested was preheat the oven at 450 degrees and preheat the roasting pan. Then you set the roast, the spiced roast in there. I just use salt, pepper, garlic, maybe a little bit of rosemary, and we wrap, some people wrap it in bacon. As a matter of fact, today the piece of filet we show you is wrapped in our homemade bacon. So so it's 10 minutes at 450 and then 20 minutes at 325 degrees. At that point, I take the filet out, put it on a cutting board, and cover it with aluminum foil and let it rest 15 to 20 minutes. During that time, the juices will go back into the meat, and where the juices are is the flavor. So you got to rest it. And now it's a perfect medium to rare piece of filet. And we're going to see this in a minute. We're going to take it out of the oven right now.
Yeah. So I'm going to grab the filet out of the oven. We do have a nice piece of center cut here for our sample. Like he said, it's wrapped in our homemade bacon, and we're going to cut into that now and enjoy some of that.
So again, this is wrapped in bacon, which gives us additional flavor. Now, you see the nice pink color, perfect.
We got a very nice medium rare, and we do have a nice sear on it as well from that initial 400 degrees.
Remember that during that roasting time, if this is a little bit too rare for you, that's okay. It's going to pull through. All the juice is going to go back into the slice, but it's going to be fantastic. The flavor, the tenderness, wonderful.
So we have this wonderful filet we're going to sit down and enjoy now. Thank you so much for tuning in, and feel free to give us a call or stop by the shop to place your order for this Christmas holiday.